better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find you. My love and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, I'll be working with Vshow. Once again, they sent me a gorgeous curly closure unit. It was pre-plucked and a pre-cut lace, so it was pretty much cut in like that little U shape, you know, those scissors. And what's special about this is the fact that I did not have to do too much for this wig to look like this. It took me under 20 minutes to do this install because it is 100% glueless, and Vshow has very nice thin laces, chef's kiss. And if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy install, just keep on watching. It is a 22-inch kinky curly unit, and the links for it will be in the description box. So let's go ahead and jump into today's tutorial.
I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find you. My love and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you could never hit mine, nigga. In my DMA, electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you never heard? I left up like a rapper's dead and bird. A verse for me is like 11 birds. It did the net, it's like $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hot to man. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you.
make a brick walk, up, north, down, south. Bank hit a bitch walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward, fuck a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready compound, I supply the sugar and she bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in that Lizzo, she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot it like fries. I'm in that London with some big thighs. No fries, she eats steaks with the fish sides. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, rock and roll? I've been on the road like a pair of spanners or stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and a demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seeming. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it when leave them on the cement.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you could never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you done never heard? I left up like a rapper's dead and bird. The verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew.
Talk, perch talk, I can make a brick walk, up, north, down, south. Bank hit a bitch walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward, fuck a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready compound, I supply the sugar and she bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in that Lizzo, she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot it like fries. I'm in that London with some big thighs. No fries, she eats steaks with the fish sides. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, rock and roll? I've been on the road like a pair of spanners or stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and a demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seeming. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it when leave them on the cement.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew.
I crush down with your money. Put it full time, won't play. Full stay. In and out, I might down. City wall time, won't play. Full stay.
Alright you guys, so this is the hair and this is the finished look. This gorgeous unit is a kinky curly wig from Vshow hair. They went ahead and sent me their pre-cut, pre-plucked lace closure unit in 22 inches, kinky curly. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. In here I literally just have some Miel moisturizer and water. I use a lot of moisturizer, so I run through the bottles pretty fast, and all I do is mix this concoction up, and I use a Denman brush. So this is pretty much, let me show you guys, this is not even a lot. This is all the hair I got since taking it out the brush, taking it out the package, not plucking anything. Like, this is the amount of shed hair, and that is to be expected. Anytime you get a brand new wig, you're gonna just have hairs that were pretty much not sewn all the way in on the track good or whatever. So I think I was being very gentle, and that is a very small amount of hair. So yeah, this wig is gorgeous, stunning. I love it. And if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let me just come in closer. I literally did not do any plucking, none. And this wig is like, wig who? Not a wig? Can you even see the lace? Like, chef's kiss. Love it here. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig from Vshow hair, like I said, links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.